Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to make payments on your Nedbank online banking. So we're gonna use a browser, but in on the app it's the same thing because they did upgrade their systems to look like the app, everything. So the old Nedbank logins is no more working. Remember the old one, you could put in your what they call your profile number, you put in your password, you put in your PIN, you get me, it was a lot. So I think they discovered that this is too much for a person to remember that profile number, and the profile number was not created by a person, it was a system generated one. So which means that it's easier to forget that number, and it was a difficult thing for a person to remember. So Nedbank discovered that and they did fix that. We really thank you for that. So anyway, so now what you do, you can go to there are two things here. Let me say Google. When I've worked with a lot of clients, when you tell them log in here, do whatever, go to nedbank.co.za, what they do, they come in here and type in www.nedbank.co.za. In some cases this could not help you. Why? Because when you come here, sometimes you find, okay, can I click the first one or the second one or whatever, or the third one? So always the person is a little bit confused, he doesn't know really what is going on. So this, please don't do it. For instance, for here you can click, it's okay, but now what I'm suggesting, this is what they call the search bar, and this is what they call the address bar. So if you're using the internet all the time, if you want to go straight to the internet, to what they call the website, you must go to the address bar. In the search here, you're searching for something you didn't know. Maybe I'm looking for web developers, then you can say which one, those people you don't know, you can search there, then you get their website. But if you know the website, you really have to come here and go to the address bar and type in www.nedbank.co.za. then you hit your enter. Once you're in there, it's gonna download here. It looks like this, you get me. So when you click on online banking, look on your right hand side, you're gonna see apply. Also you click on also the button called online banking. So you click on online banking. After clicking that, it's gonna ask you for your username and whatever. So here put your username and password. Remember the old one, they could put a link here, say click to your old stuff. So I want to show you the logins. I'm gonna log in, then we proceed, right? After logging in, you click on pay, right? On pay, when you're there on pay, then you're gonna do what? You're gonna have to select there is a single payment, make a once-off payment, or pay a saved recipient. So here you can select on the people you put in inside already. Also multiple payments, more than one saved recipient. There you're gonna select one by one. Then here you can pay one, but here you can select a group, right? That's simple. So if you click on here, and you can come here and say bank account, it's fine. You can select a cell phone number or credit card. So if you're there, then you can search for a recipient if you want to. Then once you search for one recipient, maybe I'm gonna take this guy, let me say Masige. I take this one of the people here, I saved already. Then the phone number, everything, account number is gonna come here. Then I'm gonna proceed here. Once I proceed, then it's gonna ask me how much would you like to pay. Okay, in that case, in case also you want to use what they call instant payment, you can click here. If you click here, remember instant payment fees for payment below 2000 is 10 rand. But now if you're gonna pay more than 2000, then the money increases and increases and increases. So here they warn you and say, okay, 10. So if I want to pay 1000, they're gonna charge me 1000 rand. They're gonna charge me 10 rand. If I'm gonna pay, I'm talking about instant payment. If I'm gonna pay 2000 rands, they're gonna charge me 10 rand, but if I pay something like 3,000 rands, then they will pay me more money. So I'm trying to pay this person, but my money is insufficient. But if I try to pay money which is in there, let me say I'm going to pay 30 rands to this person, and once I pay, they will allow me to do that. But now I also clicked instant payment, which is gonna take 10 rand, and this person is owing, I'm paying them less money. So now this is the thing. So I'm not supposed to do because it's gonna be expensive for me to do that. So what I do, I click next. Once I click next, it's gonna mean that I really accepted the payments, and I'm gonna pay that person, right? So once I click next, simply means I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna be paying that person. So and the money is gonna go from my account to their account. This is a live account, and the tutorial is covered to help people to know how to make payments, right? Yeah. So that's all, guys. Let's see some other sections after this. So once you click that, it's gonna go and show you everything's done. Let me get you something else also. Wait a minute. Yes, guys, we're gonna continue with our tutorial. Why? Because we want to show you multiple payments. On multiple payments, you also click on pay. In case you wanna pay 10 people, 12 people at the same time, then you click multiple payment. It's gonna show you log out, stay on this page. We're gonna stay on this page. Then you click on multiple payments. Then it's gonna take you there. Then you start selecting people. Once you select selecting people, maybe you can select maybe 10 rand this guy, and get to this guy, say 20 rands this guy. This one I pay him 5 rand, and this one I pay him or her 6 rand. So after that, then I say view payment. I can view all that. It went to 41 rand. Then 4 out of 20. Then I view payment. If I view payments, then if I'm happy, then what will happen? I'll say pay. So if I pay, all these guys gonna get paid, and the total is gonna be shown here down. So that's all, guys, and I think also that helps. And please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. And if you have any question regarding internet banking, you might talk about Nedbank, Standard Bank, Capitec, FNB, and all other major banks we use here in this country, you can send us a comment and we can cover what you want us to cover. So that's it for now. And you know that it's very difficult these days to move out, go to the queues, and go to the bank to pay someone. You're really gonna waste money in transport and time, and also the banks charge you if you go and to the bank to ask a teller to help you. But if you do things by yourself, it's gonna be easier for you to do what? To do things by by the bank, by the app, which means you're gonna be paying less instead of paying a lot of money. You understand? So when you pay by the app, they might charge you maybe for a single transaction. It will depend on how much money you're sending or how much money you pay. So all those charges, you can find them on Nedbank Nedbank website, and also maybe if you're using a different bank, also they display their charges. But if you go inside the bank, you're gonna pay maybe 10 or 20 times than what you would have paid by the app. So it's always advisable to work inside your house or your office. So also we advise you, do not do internet banking from the internet cafes and the computers which you not sure that these people are trustable. So in the internet cafe, thousands of people go in there, and some of them, they do bad things. So once they find that you are using that, they know how to do. They can do save your cookies and stuff. Passwords can be stolen, if you're using those type of computers which are unsafe. The safest computer ever is your computer at your place. Or you can go to the bank and you don't go to the teller. Always they have those computers where you can do your internet banking free. That's, I think, it can be recommended to do that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If we missed out something, please forgive us, and also you got to leave a comment box below to remind us of whatever mistake we made. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.